I think we're on.
I guess we should tell her we don't know how to call her.
Ms. Kovac, this is your old friend, Mr. Staddy, and...
JLU.
That's JLU. And if you can't tell in the background, that orange structure with the vehicle traffic...
What's that about to do with the hat? That's egregious.
That's the Golden Gate Bridge. We're slightly west of the bridge, and we're
Indeed.
looking out to try to see if we can see the cutter Weishi. And as I told you on the phone, Ms. Kovac, the funny thing about the name of the Weishi is that it seems like there's probably a couple of vowels in there that you're not aware of. Sort of like the Berthoff has a couple of consonants that you're probably not aware of. I don't know where they cook up these names. Anyway, it's a little bit overcast today, so this is probably not going to make for good pictures. But anyway, here's JOU again.
Sorry we can't call. Did she not get it on Facebook because she doesn't like spending the money? Or is it a crackberry thing?
Miss Kovac
I would have thought she would have like one of those, what are they called, like a digital leash where she has to have one anyway.
Well, I think that was true when she was in LE up in the 9th District. But
well, the Thadmos said for everybody to get a page. So
oh,
she could
really?
work from work, except for it's a page. So.
Oh, really? Well, anyway, Ms. Ko, we're going to try and keep this clip a little short because I know you're technologically challenged. So we'll see you later. Bye.
I'm Miss Kay.